Hi guys! Welcome to our channel! How are you today? Shout out sa aming mga ka-Dream Team and Unity Team and other YT friends. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and of course, hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga uploads namin. So ayan guys, that is our kamyas tree. We call it kamyas in the Philippines. In English, it is cucumber tree. Alam nyo ba na ang scientific name ng kamyas ay Aberoa bilimbi? Very common ang kamyas sa ating bansa guys. Makikita mo lang siya sa likod ng bahay, gilid ng bahay, and sometimes sa harap ng bahay, especially in the provinces. Pag in season siya, from the trunk hanggang sa taas, hitik na hitik sa bunga yan. Napakagandang tingnan. Kami nga, nung bata pa kami sa probinsya, ginagawa namin laruan yan. Kinakain namin siya, tapos nagpapaasiman kami ng muka. Kung sino yung may pinakamaasim na muka, siyang winner. At ang saya-saya namin nun. Do you know that there are so many benefits of kamyas fruit, and also there are also medicinal property. So many medicinal property of kamyas fruit. It is used as substitute for tamarind. Masarap po siya sa sinigang at paksiw. Pero guys, napapansin ko lang at ang nakakalungkot, yung mga housewife dahil sobrang busy ng ating mga nanay, mas prepared nila yung mga instant sinigang mix. Kasi nga naman walang hassle. Ibubuhos mo lang and presto, may sinigang ka na. Pero guys, sometimes let's go back to being organic. Maganda pa rin kasi na ang kinakain natin ay organic. This fruit has significant traces of vitamin B and C, calcium, phosphorus, iron, and fiber. It regulates blood sugar. It also helps manage hypertension, effectively treats hemorrhoids, cures cough and colds, and fortifies bone health. So, we should never underestimate the power of kamyas guys. Sobrang powerful fruit pala nito. The leaves on the other hand can be used to treat various skin diseases like itchiness, skin or animal bites, swelling, and rheumatism. At ito pa ang highlight. It is also good in treatment of pimples. Ang mga teenagers natin ngayon, common na sa kanila ang magka-pimples kasi lagi silang mga puyaters. They stayed late at night. But today guys, we will make pickled kamyas. Sayang naman kasi kung mabubulok lang kasi parang out of season na siya dahil officially we are already on the rainy season. Kailangan kasi pag nag-dried kamyas ka, kailangan 3 to 4 days mo siyang ibibilid sa bright sunlight. Eh wala na, maulan na ngayon. So, gagawin na lang natin siyang pickles. Pipiliin po natin ang mga good qualities at iyon ang gagawin natin pickles. The rest, gagamitin natin pang-asim sa sinigang. So guys, let's start cooking ng ating pickled kamyas. Let's go!